Welcome to Emily's Experience. Today we have a new guest named Shona. So we're going to make a snowstorm. So we need vegetable oil and a big jar of it and water, this stuff, I don't know, food coloring. Okay, the food coloring one's all that. I guess that's great. So first you pour the water into the vegetable oil. And the water sticks to the bottle. So you put drops of food coloring. Ready, Shona? Okay, that's enough. Put it in there. Ready? Go. What's happening? What happened, Shona? See at the top, come on, it's purple. Like